Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making baked ranch pork chops. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in a styrofoam bowl, something I can just throw away. And I have 2 packs of ranch seasoning. You don't want ranch dip mix, you want ranch seasoning. And I'm going to dump them into the bowl. And guys, it's going to be a really quick and easy, yet delicious recipe. Now I'm going to add a little paprika to that. I'm going to go for about a half a teaspoon. I'm also going to add in about a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to mix that all together, guys. Alright, I have some boneless pork chops here. I have them on a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. And parchment paper is my best friend, guys, because it makes for easy cleanup. You just throw the parchment paper away and usually the pan stays clean. Now I'm going to take that ranch seasoning mix that we mixed together. I'm going to sprinkle some on the pork chops. And you just want to put a nice healthy coating on them. Alright, we're looking good, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my hand and rub the seasoning into the pork chops. Alright, now that I have my pork chops all seasoned up, I'm going to put them in a 450 degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes till they reach an internal temperature of 160. And I'll check them with a meat thermometer after 20 minutes. Alright guys, my pork chops are done. I just pulled them out of the oven. They're at about 168, 170, so they're good and done. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also made some homemade scallop potatoes to go with this. Let me get in here and give this chop a try. It's cooked through. Really delicious, moist, tender, very flavorful, guys. That pork chop is loaded with delicious ranch flavor, guys. You would not be disappointed with this recipe. Right there you have it, baked ranch pork chops. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.